Welcome to J&J's test video of SXMA224 99 Miata, 173,000 miles. Hit very, very lightly in the front here. Should almost been saved. Has a set of nice wheels on it. We'll find out if they're real or not. Taillights are good, rear bumper's bad, front bumper's good. It's not too bad. Got some coils on it, hold air intake. Fairly quiet. Filter on a stick. Alright, we'll go drive it. 5-speed car, 430 Ren. Oh, this one does have the old roll down windows. Last Miata with roll down windows. Down here, it might fit in here. There you go. 173,763, and that'll do it for SXMA224. I got the roof up. Has a decent roof on it, not too bad. Alright, roll the window up. Good old days. And that'll do it. Thank you again, as always, and have your pets